ওয়েলকাম এভরিওয়ান। আমি ইনস্ট্রাক্টর আশা হক এবং আজকের সেশনে আমি আপনাদের দেব এমন আইএলটিএস স্ট্র্যাটেজিস যা শুধু স্কোর ইমপ্রুভ করবে না, আপনার কনফিডেন্স ড্রামাটিক্যালি বুস্ট করবে। IELTS is not just a test of English, it's a test of strategy, timing and smart execution. আজ আমরা শিখব এমন টিপস যা হাই স্কোরার্স ইউজ করেন এবং once you master these, you will feel in complete control of your exam. Tip number 1. Master your time. IELTS এর সবচেয়ে বড় চ্যালেঞ্জ হলো টাইম প্রেশার। Elite approach. Reading 20 minutes per passage, 5 minutes for review. Listening. Predict answers while listening, never pause. Writing. 5 minutes planning, 30 minutes structured writing, and 5 minutes review. Speaking. Mentally prepare mini templates for every answer. Time management isn't just a speed, it's confidence in action. Control your time, control your test. Top scorers don't just read or listen, they anticipate. Listening. Scan questions and predict numbers, names, key points. Writing. Skim the passage, identify keywords, anticipate answers. Writing. Plan ideas, organize structured before writing. Speaking. Prepare a mental template. Opinion, reason, example. Once you anticipate correctly, the exam feels structured and predictable, not random. Tip number 3. Vocabulary that works. Forget memorizing long words. True mastery is using precise and functional vocabulary. Reading. Recognize synonyms effortlessly. Writing. Use concise academic words. Speaking. Natural words plus correct pronunciation. Daily routine. 5 words plus 1 phrase plus 1 connector. In a month, your comprehension, writing and speaking will feel effortless. Tip number 4. Templates and patterns for high scores. IELTS is predictable for those who know the patterns. Reading. True, false, not given, matching headings. Listening. Multiple choice, map leveling. Writing task 2. Introduction, body 1, body 2, conclusion. Speaking part 2. Topic, details, example, conclusion. Templates allow faster, accurate answers and reduce stress dramatically. Number 5. Elite mindset and exam strategy. IELTS success is mindset plus precision. Smile and maintain confident posture. Fluency improves instantly. Focus on keywords, ignore tricky or unknown words. Missed answer? Move forward. Never dwell. Practice if it's the real exam. Your brain adapts automatically. Confidence in IELTS is as crucial as your English skills. Master your mind and the test becomes predictable. Posh wrap-up and motivation. So today, we explored 5 elite strategies for IELTS. 1. Smart time management. 2. Predict before reading, listening. 3. Functional vocabulary mastery. 4. Templates and patterns. 5. Mindset and confidence. I am instructor Asha Hawk. Brilliancy থেকে বলছি। IELTS isn't a challenge when approached with strategy. Apply these methods, practice deliberately, and watch your scores rise. Stay tuned for our next session.